Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is $3.99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Okay? Free. If you like anything budgeting related, digital budgeting in Google Sheets, checking in with our variable cash envelopes, tracking expenses, all that jazz. Don't forget the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure your notification bell is turned on. Happy Valentine's Day. February the 14th. Y'all don't want my singing, but I just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day, guys. So let's get right into this because it's been about 2 weeks and your girl is not sure she remembers all the things that are happening in this envelope. So let's go. So we'll be tracking our variable expenses in our cash envelopes today. Baby, let me just tell you immediately, Grateful Gang. Let me tell you, there ain't no money in groceries. Groceries what? Groceries who? So we have this Publix bill. So let's talk about what is already on here. Green marks February deposit, right? And it started to get bulky, so I added some things in already. So Walmart, on 2-3 went to Walmart, $110 in groceries. So we had $70 left. That was mostly like the monthly grocery shop. And then on 2-3, we went to Walmart again because the other place I thought was going to have fish did not have fish. So I went back to get the fish and it cost me $14 and that was $56 left. Then I went to Kroger, spent $20 and had $36 left. Then I went to Nam Dae Mun, which is like an Asian supermarket on 2-6, spent $10 on like bananas, some produce, and that was $26 left. Yep, I'll make sure that makes sense. $26 left. But we ain't got $26. Okay, because then we also went to Publix. And let me explain. So Publix, we spent $40. What I ended up doing is taking $20 out of what was left in groceries, and then I took $20 out of eating out, because eating out has kind of become my buffer. I know a lot of people don't like to mix and mingle their envelopes, but honestly, I'm not gonna not eat just to make an envelope be okay. I'm doing what works for me. So that's why there's $6 left, because technically, let's see what day this was. This was on 2/10. So on 2/10, I went to Publix. And then I spent $20 out this envelope, which 26 from 20 is $6. Yes, ma'am. All right, and so we have $6 left in there. That was just the easiest way for me to break it up without getting myself confused. So $6, and honestly, this is probably just going to be for produce. I still have things to make. Pesto pasta. I have got some salmon still left. I've still got some salted codfish left. So I think we're already on the 14th. We only got like half the month left. I think I will be okay. I do want to go and buy probably like some broccoli or string beans with that, or a salad, something like that. So then gasolina. Let's see if we have any receipts. So yes, we have a receipt, which I need to scan the fetch because I haven't blacked out the top yet. This one I already scanned in. This Kubli one. And then, so $20 to gas. I actually used the full $20. So that was on 2/12. It was a couple days ago. We got some gas, and that was $20. And so we had $120 in there, and so we should have $100 left, because 100 minus 20 is 120 minus 120 minus 20. Simple math is $100. So let's make sure we actually have $100 left. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Perfect. And I'm trying to monitor these because I really want to see if there's some envelope, maybe gas, that I can take 20 out and put it in with groceries, because groceries is taking the biggest hit right now. Okay, self-care. So self-care has a few things. Okay, so we have a note here that says $10 for self-care for Valentine's Day. Oh, we're supposed to take $10 out, which I don't think I have change. So let me make change out of gas because I know I had 2 10s. So I'm going to take these 2 10s out of gas. Actually, I'm going to take out all the money, not confuse us. The 2 10s out of gas, and I'm going to take the 120 from self-care. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 still in gas. And I think I'm going to fill up my gas tank in 20s. I usually only fill up around half tank, so I think I'll be fine. And so I know that I want to put 10 of these dollars from self-care into my Valentine's Day savings challenge. So I'll be doing that. So out of the $80, today is $214. I'm going to say that I'm going to take for Valentine's Day challenge, I'm taking $10. So that brings the $80 down to $70. Now we have another receipt here from Aldi, and I spent $10.58. Basically, the wallet here, the change thing broke. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it like broke. There's a hole in it. So the change keeps falling out. So I didn't want to go searching for change. So I know for a fact I gave $11 on this receipt. I need to scan that one too. And that receipt was just actually today. So that was $214. Not 12, $214. And that was some groceries from Aldi. See now, groceries coming out of self-care, and that's fine. It's absolutely fine. And so that was $11. We have $70, right? Minus $11 is $59. Let's see what's left. This doesn't look like $59, but so what we have left is 20. Oh, actually, let me pull this 10 aside because we said we're taking that out. So 20, 40, 51. So we're missing $8 because 59 minus 51 is $8. I honestly don't know. There's no receipt in here. And I don't know where this miscellaneous $8 is. So I'm just going to, but $8 must have been spent on something. And then until I can think of it, we're just going to leave it there. And so we won't put a date, and I'm just going to put miscellaneous with a question mark because I'm not sure. So if that was $8, that means there should be $51 left now. 20, 40, 51. I don't like not remembering things. That's like what, this is why I like to do this on a weekly basis. Okay, and then eating out. Oh, eating out's got a lot going on. Got a lot going on. All right. So we already show, I've got a couple receipts. So I already show $67. So it says I went on 2-3 to QQ Seafood and spent $13. But I see this QQ Seafood receipt right there and $12.49. So this has already been allocated out. Oh no, wait. Is this the same money? Oh, this is a double receipt, girl. You know when they give you one and they put one in your bag? So I only had one other receipt. So then I have Food Depot. And on 2/12, I spent $20.30. It looks like I gave the 30 cents. So $20. You know what that was, right? Groceries. So on 2/12, we went and got some groceries and spent $20. And honestly, eating out has been kind of my backup for that. And then, so that's 67 minus 20, which should be 47. 67 minus 20, 47. But we also, whoa, sorry, y'all, I just dropped the whole fire tablet. Let me move y'all in. So then, don't forget, we had $20 that we also took out for groceries on that Publix receipt. Because we only took out 20 from groceries. And that Publix receipt was from, again, 210. And that was Publix. That was also used towards groceries. So there's another $20, which probably leaves us with 27. Is that right? I feel like I have more than $27 showing there, though. So 47 minus 20 is 27. Let's see if we actually have $27 left. Seems like more, but maybe I have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I wonder why I have $35. This doesn't make sense to me. Let me just subtract again.
Had 80. Then we took away 67. I'm sorry. That's not right. We took away 13. Then we took away 20. And then we took away another
20. 27. I don't know why I have 30 something dollars in here. Let me see. So I have 25, 30. 35 minus 27. 35 minus 27 equals 8, which is hilarious because I feel like maybe I put it in the wrong envelope. I bet you these $8 I'm missing and don't know what's going on belongs over here in self-care. Duh. I'm like, why do I have... Okay. There it is. So I'm going to add the $8 because that obviously does not belong. 5, 6, 7, $8. $5, $6, $7, $8 belongs in self-care, which should give us $59 in self-care, which is the right amount. 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. $59 in self-care. I was like, I know that I've been putting receipts in. It doesn't make sense that I wouldn't remember what I bought out of self-care. All right. I don't know. Sometimes that's another thing with envelopes. You'll think you're putting it back in the right one, but you're not. And then now this should have 27, like we said. So 25, 6, 7, 27. Jeez, Lord. I even skipped. Well, the day I used the $20 for groceries, I actually skipped eating out that day just so I could, that week, so that I could use it for groceries. That's how I'm kind of making that work. And then we have fun. Have fun, got some money taken out. And here's the note. It says we used $20 for my cousin's birthday dinner. So my sister had an impromptu birthday dinner idea. And we were putting $10 or $20. I kind of ended up paying for like one of the cousins plus my $10. So $20 is where that came from. And to me, that counts as, and that was yesterday, $213. As an experience, you know, it was cheaper than going to like a restaurant that my cousin wanted to go to. And my sister did all the cooking and I just helped clean up. So to me, that was a win-win. And y'all know I'm okay with spending money on experiences. So cousin B-Day. And that, I think, constitute as fun. That was a fun day, birthday celebration. So minus 20. And that leaves us with 20. Which I can tell is correct. So 10, 20. And hopefully I could do something else with this 20, but we'll see. I need to put some more effort into finding fun things to do. Then giving has $0 in it. Giving went quickly this month. So I had 20. I subtracted 10. I gave, I gave to family on 2-3, and then on 2-5, I think I told y'all on another video, my coworkers, my boss's cat died, so I put $10 towards getting her Etsy gift card, and now we're at 0. So this one balances just fine. And then a credit card has nothing. Oh, lies. So the credit card. Oh, you know what? Funny. This is just CVS Pharmacy deposit. So $10, like I said, was supposed to go from giving to the Etsy card. However, what I ended up doing was using $10 that had a buffer. I had a buffer and it was $20. So I ended up just paying the card through that buffer. So technically $10 should go back onto the card. But I'm thinking I'm just going to, not the card, back into my account. But I think I might just leave it
in credit card for right now. So that's what there is, $10 showing to be deposited. And then household, which we kind of just added into miscellaneous.
Is got 20. Still got 20. There's a few things I want to pick up, but nothing on rush yet. I thought I'd ran out of contact solution, but it seemed like it was fine in the end. I had one extra left. Got to do an empties video, you guys, so I can show you. So that's it. we are all up to date. And then the only next thing I'm going to do is go into my binder, but I'm not going to like bring y'all through that. I'm going to go into the binder. I'm going to write everything that's on these cards for February into it. I'm just going to go down into a straight line. Maybe I'll show you. Maybe I'll get off, do it, and show you. But only other thing we have here is this $10 sitting out here. And that is going to go into our Valentine's Day saving. Today is Valentine's Day, but honestly, I love you guys all the time, and I love myself all the time. So if this goes towards getting something else, honestly, I just want to get myself some flowers, but I'm not getting flowers right now during the rush of flowers and balloons and Valentine's Day stuff. I'm hoping to be able to go this weekend and get myself some flowers and maybe some chocolate when they're on discount. So far we have, oh, I never wrote this up. So far we have $10. We saved a 5 and a 5 right there and right there. And then now I'm just going to save a 10. I think I'll go with True Love. And I'll use my pink marker to follow that up. And that is a 10 right there. So now we have 5, 10, 20. We have $20 in here. And I'll fill out the tracker as now. Okay, so the tracker is all filled out. 10 plus 10 is 20. And I'm excited. And I'm just going to keep going. Even if I spend some of the money, I can use it for other self-care, solo date night type things. And I think you should keep doing your Valentine's Day challenge even when Valentine's Day is over, because you should love yourself all the time. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and write out all these transactions into this planner, and I'll come back and show you. We're losing daylight, so I'm going to try to go relatively quickly. All right, guys, so we lost a little light, but I think you can still see. These are all the transactions that we just talked about. We're not too bad. We're still not even almost half a page, and we're half the month through, so that's good. We will do credit card transactions. The next time we do reconcile the credit card, I'll be doing it in the book going forward, just so we can have everything marked down and we can kind of see. And then when we have a lot of pages, which I don't think we're going to aim not to use. And then we'll do like how much we started off in our cash envelopes with and how much we spent, and then how much we had left. And I'll do a personal monthly review. But yeah, you guys, that is all we have to. I need to take these together. We never use that page. But that is everything has been updated, not only on the trackers, but also here. When the ink dries a little bit more, I will go ahead and highlight all the groceries, all the gas, all the self-care, and give them colors. But that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it is faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Happy Valentine's Day. Again, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video. Leave me a comment, y'all. Talk to me. Let me know how your Valentine's Day is. I'm by myself, but I'm still going to chill and have myself some pizza and chill out. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it, bye.